give or take 3 days ago, I think 2 to 3 days ago, Joe Linder admitted to taking steroids back when he was about 17 or 18, just really getting started in the bodybuilding. And I mean, so what? People are all flabbergasted and mind blown that he did some steroids, man. So what? Let the dude do some gear if he wants to do some gear. It's his body. It's, when he was 17, it's like 10 years ago, man. He's not doing it no more. He's on HRT now, though, which people, I guess, are still giving him grief over. So what? It's his body. Let him do what he wants to do. You are not Joe Linder. You don't have any right to say what Joe Linder can do with his body. So therefore, keep your opinions to yourself, man, because at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. You know what I mean? He's doing something that makes him feel good, right? Because he said the gear had him all messed up. It hurt his nipples, gave him all these negative side effects because the people that he was getting the gear from didn't give him the game the right way. They didn't, tell him what to do to stop the side effects. It was a guy that he got his gear from that was just trying to get rid of the stuff. He gave him bad stuff that he couldn't get rid of, so he gave it to somebody that didn't know any better. So shame on dude, first of all. Second of all, if a guy you give some gear to, you're not even worried about the side effects or how it's going to affect him, you should at least be trying to help the guy get the medication to, curb the side effects. But anyway, now he's legal, he's legit, he's getting his HRT from a doctor. You know what I mean? He can travel on planes with this stuff. He can go wherever he needs to go and take his medication with him. So that tells you, first and foremost, that it's okay for him to be taking this because his doctor prescribed. Now, yeah, I know I might get some, negative comments or whatever because I said that, but he's doing this under doctor supervision. It's getting him the results he wants. He's on a minimal dose. So at the end of the day, Coach Greg's on it, you know what I mean? So at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter what anyone thinks. It doesn't matter what I think, what you think. All that matters is what the person that's doing it thinks and how they feel and if they're getting the results they want. So at the end of the day, Joe, I salute you for coming out, man, and being honest with it. We need more real people in the world, like, admitting to whether they're real natty or fake natty or, you know what I mean? Like, if you're not natty, so what? If you are natty, great, but some of them, ain't, and they're out there repping that life like they are. So, Joe, thanks for coming out and being real with it, man. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up.